Today I'm going to show you a vlog on how to cook beans. So I'm preparing the beans. They are raw from the shamba. So I'm preparing this, how we prepare the beans. We remove these pods. I'm sure they're called pods if I'm not wrong. Guys, as you can see, this is what we use when you put your from the shamba. This thing, they are called utel. I don't know how you call it. I don't know how it's called. I don't know how it's called in English. Guys, and you can see our beans are here. So I'm preparing it. So I'm going to prepare it for my family to use it for lunch. We'll use it for lunch because now this early morning we can't use. And these beans, they take a lot of time to prepare it. And I'm going to use firewood as a source of fire because these beans, they need a lot of heat or fire. Let me use not heat but fire. I'm about to clear, preparing these beans so that I can cook it. As you can see, these are the remaining pods. So this is the remaining pod. We give it to the cow so that they can feed. We don't throw them away. We give it to the cow. If you have the cow, we give it to the cow. I'm picking the remaining ones. So I think I'm done. These are the remaining ones. So the remaining ones are going to give it to the cow. Yes, and these are my beans. I think they're enough for my family for lunchtime. So we are going to use it with anything you want. You can use it with ugali, you can use it with rice, and yes. So let me give this one to the cow. So as you can see, guys, I was lighting my fire. Here in the village, we use what we call firewood as a source of fire. This is what we use. So this is my kitchen today, where I'm going to prepare my beans. So guys, you can see how we struggle here in the village. The struggle is real. So guys, it's time to put our beans. Yeah, let me wash them. Yes. Let me add firewood. I know because people are very hungry. Oh, guys, the smoke here, it's very dangerous. I don't know how I can explain it. So guys, as you can see, my beans are still cooking. Here we don't use gas, we use only fire, and that is the cheapest and easiest way of cooking here in the village, guys. So let's give it time so that our beans can boil, guys. People, the beans are still boiling. They are boiling. So let's see. It's so hot. So I think my beans are ready. So I want to karanga them. I don't know how kukaranga them is called in English. So how do we call kukaranga in English? I'm going to fry them. So guys, watch this video till the end as I fry my beans. So guys, watch this video as I am going to prepare the beans. I don't know what you're going to eat, but in the video you will see. Yes guys, so I want to fry them. So guys,